Hello and welcome. This is Beth McLoughlin from Mining Magazine, and I'm going to be talking to Micheal Boehm, who is Global Sustainability Lead at Komatsu, about the electric mine and some of the innovative ways that Komatsu is helping the industry meet its sustainability goals.
How are you, Beth?
Hey, nice to meet you, Micheal. So to start with, could you just explain what do you think some of the primary challenges that mining operations are facing today?
Yeah, so mining operations today are confronted with a multitude of challenges that stem from a combination of diminishing resources, an imperative to drive greater value from that mine site. So sustainability is a paramount concern for our miners. They must balance their extraction activities with environmental responsibilities. Interoperability poses another hurdle. How do different systems and technologies within the mine often struggle to communicate effectively with one another? We see that every day in the mining environment. So how do we change that? And productivity, reliability, and safety, they're the challenge that we are constantly faced with every day in the mining environment. It's a really interesting world that we need to work in. We need to be attentive and innovative to ensure optimal performance and safeguarding workers and assets in the mining environment.
And when companies are looking for a single source solution to some of these challenges, why is that insufficient?
Yeah, single source solutions can offer convenience, but they often fall short when it comes to addressing the diverse and evolving needs of mining. So if we look historically at mining, very simple extraction process with the likes of horse and cart, shovel, pick. Now we're looking at, big units that can lift 100 cubic meters of soil or waste or ore from a particular mine site, drop it in a 400-ton truck that drives away autonomously. So mining game has changed completely. So we've got a highly complex ecosystem requiring a variety of specialized tools and technologies to operate efficiently. Relying solely on one provider, limits the ability and range of solutions that can lead to, a not interoperable system working effectively together. So we try and keep ourselves open to third parties, to new systems, new technologies, and allowing the system that we build as a business unit to be open to those third parties to work effectively.
And how important is it for mining operations to optimize their functions and reduce carbon footprints now?
Massively. So optimizing functions and reducing carbon footprints are not only essential for meeting sustainability targets, but also for improving operational efficiencies and cost effectiveness. By streamlining processes, minimizing waste, and adopting cleaner technologies, mining operations can achieve significant reductions in environmental impact while simultaneously enhancing the bottom line. Furthermore, with increased pressure from stakeholders and government bodies, for example, it makes it harder to operate in a more sustainable manner. These efforts are becoming increasingly imperative for a long-term viability in mining operations. We see it day to day at the moment.
And so if we're moving away from a single source solution, could you explain a bit about an industry ecosystem? How does that work and how does it benefit mining operations?
Yeah, an industry ecosystem offers a collaborative framework where multiple solution providers and developers, partners and suppliers are all working together to address the diverse needs of a mining operation. By pooling resources and expertise, an ecosystem can develop, an agnostic solution that can work in a variety of different mining environments to optimize the operations, integrate diverse technologies and systems that are growing new, and we see new ones all the time, and accelerate adoption of new practices across our industry. This approach not only enhances efficiency and effectiveness, but also fosters a culture of innovation and continuous improvement and a partnership between customers and our third-party helpers.
And what's the significance of a unified user experience in mining operations?
Yes, it's crucial for ensuring that seamless integration and usability across various tools and technology, as we discussed before. By providing a standardized interface that people work alongside, It consolidates different systems and functionalities into a single user-friendly platform. For example, an operator can jump in from one truck to another truck and drive that efficiently because they have the right information being sent through them at the right time. So it's designed for mining operations, can streamline their workflows and reduce training requirements, improve productivity. Additionally, the unified user experience promotes consistency and interoperability, enabling smoother communication and collaboration among different stakeholders within the organization.
And you mentioned interoperability there. I mean, how does an interoperable ecosystem enhance mining operations?
Yeah, an interoperable ecosystem offers several key benefits for our mining operators. Firstly, accelerates development and deployment of solutions by providing standard interfaces and having all the hard work hidden in the background that it doesn't come out in front of the customer, so to speak. This speeds up time to market. The new innovations ensure compatibility with existing infrastructures. Secondly, the interoperable ecosystem enhances agility and responsiveness by enabling the mining operations to quickly adapt to changing conditions and requirements. By leveraging shared data, insights, and resources, operators can make a more informed decision and implement timely interventions to optimize performance and mitigate risks, enhancing bottom line and making sure that the operators are safe in the paddock.
Which is essential. And if we break it down for a moment, what are the essential components of an industry-wide ecosystem?
An industry-wide ecosystem requires a robust infrastructure of components to support its operation efficiently. So platform security and trust is paramount, as we see cybersecurity a massive concern globally now with hackers trying to get into everything, basically. We're trying to ensure with a robust security system that confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and resources shared within an ecosystem are safe within that ecosystem. So cloud-based data analytics provide the necessary tools for mining operators. So to derive actionable insights from their data, enabling informed decision-making and predictive maintenance strategies. Applications, technology plays a critical role in enabling this interoperability and compatibility across solutions and systems. While the equipment optimizes ensures that onboard devices and sensors are leveraged to their full potential, making efficiency and performance, understanding that the corporate teams behind making decisions for a mine plan, for example, can learn as the machines get smarter, as the operations get more efficient, and we reduce wasted time traveling, wasted time waiting for a dig unit to be operational or a ROM pad to be available.
Excellent. And so if we look to the future for a moment, why is an open, interoperable ecosystem of this kind so necessary for the industry's future?
Yeah, it's essential for fostering innovation and collaboration, growth within our mining industry. It's, a lot of people believe the mining industry is a big industry. It's a very, very small industry in the scheme of things. By breaking down these silos and promoting exchange of data, ideas, and resources, our open ecosystem enables mining operators to leverage a collective expertise from a variety of groups in the entire industry and outside our industry as well. So this collaborative approach not only accelerates development and the adoption of new technologies, it also fosters a culture of continuous improvement, of adaptation of changing market dynamics. Ultimately, an open ecosystem benefits not only for individual operators, but an industry as a whole, driving greater efficiency, sustainability, and competitiveness in the marketplace. We learn faster, we become better, we become smarter, faster. So, yeah, it's interesting, very essential.
Inspiring words. Thank you very much, Micheal, for your time today.
No problems at all. Thanks, Beth.